Good morning, students. So, in the lecture series of GK, we have completed the first lesson and second lesson. Now, today we will discuss about the third lesson. But before that, we will talk about the facts of Friendship Day. So, first, we will talk about the inception. That is, Friendship Day was initially published by Joyce Hall, the founder of Hallmark Card, in 1919. So, initially it was published by Joyce Hall. He is the founder of Hallmark Card in 1919. What happens? Exchange of gift. The exchange of Friendship Day gifts like flower, cards and bracelet is a well-liked tradition which was started by the greeting card industry. So what you do on Friendship Day, you exchange gift with your friends like flowers, card and bracelet as well. Now roses. You can also give pink and yellow roses to the friends who are always there whenever you needed them in a well-known tradition. So if you want to just give respect to your friend, so you can give him or her a pink or yellow rose. Okay, named in 1997, the United Nations named Winnie the Pooh, famous cartoon character, as the world's ambassador of friendship. So you please remember this. The Pooh is the famous cartoon character as the world's ambassador of friendship. Okay, August. So we celebrate Friendship Day every year, August 1st Sunday, है ना, in India. Now devotion. Lord Krishna is the great Hindu epic. In the great Hindu epic Mahabharata, demonstrate the several colors of friendship, brotherhood, protection, guidance and closeness, and even being a tease. So devotion. So in this you have learned that Lord Krishna has also participated in the friendship. So you please also participate like a Lord Krishna in your friendship with your friends. Okay. Now, so today we will discuss about the world famous women scientists. So who are the world's famous women scientists? So today we will discuss about them. Much against the odds and advertises of women's education, many women scientists have made discoveries and innovation in the field of science. So whoever the women who have discovered and innovated in the field of science. So today we will discuss about the women scientists and you have to guess the name. Her father felt women should not study. This 15-year-old made groundbreaking discoveries in DNA research used in extracting fine DNA fibers with the help of X-ray equipment. So her father didn't allow her to study, and this is 15-year-old made he in 15-year-old only she has researched about the DNA by the X-ray equipment. So what is her name? That is Rosalind Franklin. Okay. Now second, born during the French Revolution, was confined to her home as a young teen. So she was born during a French Revolution and was confined to her home as a young teen. She was a young teen. Love for mathematics made her learn and teach herself. She loved mathematics and learn and teach herself and discovered the world famous theory of elasticity. So she is the woman who discovered the famous theory of elasticity. So what was her name? It is Sophie Germain. Okay. Called Lady Lovelace, she created the world's first computer program. The daughter of Lord Byron created software for analytical engine to generate Bernoulli's numbers. Okay? So she was the woman who invented the first computer program, and she was the daughter of Lord Byron. So what was her name? Her name was Ada Byron. Okay. Next question. She was encouraged by a friend at 10. They gave him chemical to experiment and she discovered protein crystallography. X-rays determine the arrangement of atom. So she was the woman who was encouraged by a friend at 10-year-old, and her friends have given her chemical to experiment. And what happened if when she had when she had done the experiment, she discovered the protein crystallography. So who was that woman? The woman was Dorothy Hawking. Okay. So you have learned today about the world famous women scientists. So you please learn them properly and kindly watch it. Subscribe my channel. Go through it. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Stay healthy.